Hello, and thank you for watching English Answers with Tutor Nathan. I am your host and your personal virtual tutor for this video, Tutor Nathan. I hope everyone is having a great day. In today's video, we will be learning all about the present continuous tense. This is probably the second tense that you learned in school or when you started to learn English. Please visit the link down below to download your free copy of the material used in this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a like and leave a comment down below. If you are a subscriber, thank you for watching, but if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell so you will know every time I upload a video to YouTube. And finally, please consider becoming one of my Patreons, and you can for as little as $1 a month. The link will also be in the description down below. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy this video. Have a great day. Once again, thank you for joining me today for another lesson. And if you would like to get more details or to download these slides, please visit the link that you see down below. Now, what exactly is the present continuous? That is what we are going to find out in this episode. When do we use the present continuous? For more often than not, we use it for incomplete actions or for something that is temporary. But however, we can use it for questions and for negative statements. How exactly do we form the present continuous? We form it by using the subject plus the verb be plus a verb with an ing ending. And here's a little hint. The form of the verb be will depend on the pronoun that you use. For example, I am, you are, she, he, it is, they are, and we are. Incomplete actions. These are just actions that started sometime in the past and are still continuing to do so up into the present. This is probably the most common use for the present continuous tense. Let's take a look at these sentences and see what is going on here. They are playing soccer, or in some parts of the world, or in most parts, they call it football. So they started playing at some time in the past, but we don't exactly know when, and it's still continuing up into the present. She is exercising. Again, she started exercising sometime in the past. We don't know when, but she's still exercising up into the present. He is doing his homework. He started sometime in the past, and he's still doing it right now in the present. Temporary situations. These are situations that will not be same in the future. So let's take a look at these sentences. They usually play rock music, but for now they are playing jazz music. They always mainly play rock music. They might be at a club or at a concert, but for now they are playing jazz music. Something might have happened where they had to change music. So the next sentence, I'm cold and it is snowing. So right, it is snowing, but they're cold. So we can say that the snow's not going to be snowing forever. That's why it would be a temporary situation. Now the next sentence, I am eating dinner at the moment, but I will come over later. I am eating dinner would be the temporary situation, unless it's, you can eat buffet, I guess. And they have plans to come over to their friends or their boyfriend or girlfriend's house later and have some fun. Negative statements. Negative statements are the opposite of their intended meaning, and we form it by putting the not, or the short form N'(T) between the verb be and the verb plus the ing. So let's take a look at these sentences. He is not doing his homework. So before he was doing his homework, but now he's not. So he might be doing something else. He might be playing computer games or hanging out with his friends. We don't know what he's doing, but we do know he is not doing his homework. They are not playing soccer. So here it could be because it's their off season, or could be because one of the players are not feeling well or something, but they are not playing soccer right now. She isn't exercising. Right now she's not exercising. Could be because she's tired, or she might be working, but we do know is that she isn't exercising. Here we'll be looking at questions, and when we form a question, we form it in a different way than we do when we form a statement in the present continuous tense. We form it by starting with the verb be plus the subject, and then finally the verb plus the ing ending. So let's see what these sentences are. Are they playing soccer? They could, you could be wondering if they are playing soccer because it might have been raining, or something happened, or if it's their off day. And the next one is she exercising? She could be doing something that looks odd to you or weird, and you could be wondering, is she exercising? Is it part of her routine? And is he doing his homework? If you just come home from work and you have a child, you might be wondering if he's already done his homework, or if he's doing it right now. Or you could be like reading a book or something that you're just wondering if it is part of his homework routine. Future meanings. Yes, we can use the present continuous for something that we will be doing in the future. Just means that we have already made plans to do it at some time in the future. So here we have they are going to be playing soccer this weekend. We normally use going to as one of the most common phrases for making plans for the future. So here I guess they will be playing soccer this weekend unless the weather stops them from playing or something else. In the next sentence, she is exercising with her friends tonight. She already made plans with her friends, and she's going to be going out to the fitness club tonight to go exercise. And in the last one, he's doing his homework after dinner. Here you can see that he's going to be doing his homework, and he wants to eat first. He might be hungry after a long day at school, and he's going to be doing his homework after his dinner. And now it is your turn. Fill in the blanks about yourself using the topics that we covered in this video. For example, I'm blank with an incomplete action. I could say I'm making this video. You don't know when I started in the past, and it's still going on at the present at the time that I'm making this video. I am blank, a temporary situation. I am not, or I'm not, with a negative statement. And remember, these are about yourself. Am I blank? Using questions. Or just write something they have planned in the future using the future meanings. And when you get done with that, I would like you to write about other people using what you have learned in this video. The end. If you made it to this far in the video, thank you very much for watching. I really do appreciate it. And if you liked it, please give this video a like and a share. And once again, if you would like to contribute to me, I would be very appreciated at my Patreon, in which the link would be in the description down below. And if you would like to get a copy of these materials, the link will also be in the description down below. Once again, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Goodbye.